Been come new life sometime, yeah. But I'm a hypocrite, big hypocrite. Like, and then I can tell any of you guys, you can trust me. Like, you can tell me with anything, but I wouldn't trust you with anything because that's who I am. And it's got to change. And also, I tell people, come on, you gotta live for God. You gotta give God everything. And sometimes I really just don't. And then there's other stuff like pride, lying, cussing, and this dumb stuff that has to stop so I can grow within God. But it's like I go through school. It's like, yeah, you can do blah blah blah, and then I'm not doing it myself, and it's completely wrong. And it's not right whatsoever. But yes, I'm a hypocrite. Taking a picture, be like hypocrite. People don't. But I am a hypocrite. Just, God was saying, you gotta go up. I'm like, I don't want to. I'm like, go away. So, up here. Really want you guys. I'm sorry, it's awkward. I'm just like, but asking for your forgiveness also with God. So I'm sorry for being a hypocrite. Tell you guys, you can trust me. I would trust you, but I'm working on it. So, yeah.
If you forgive him, clap.
Ryan, how do you do this? Stop. I'm gonna sing.